Away from 2026. If you are here with someone you love, scream! We have less than 60 seconds of 2025. We're ready for 2026.
Snoop around in 2025, shall we?
Check it out now.
It's been a positively tropical summer. It's going to be hot, hot, hot.
Who needs to go abroad when you got weather like this?
I like it hot, but I don't like it this hot.
I've got sunshine.
Gentlemen's doubles champions from Great Britain, Wimbledon champions. Shane Lowry has done it, and on American soil, Europe have retained the Ryder Cup.
An unforgettable year for women's sport in England.
The 2025 Rugby World Cup Finals. England, world champions! And still the European champions, the Lionesses, go back to back. Overcoming adversity, creating their own destiny. Now that is proper English.
Here's what England means to me, the real England. When it's sunny, it's too hot. When it's cold, the weather's rubbish. England to me is a cup of tea. How many sugars? I'm sweet enough. England to me is Caribbean barbers with the sharpest trim. It's Christian neighbours saying Happy Hanukkah, mate, and Muslim mums saying Merry Christmas, love. And you think you're seeing flags now? Wait until the World Cup's on. Then you'll know about flags, my son. Because this is what England means to me. It's about loving each other, no matter what colour you are, where you're from, or who your God is. Because this is England. This is the United Kingdom. Would have had it.
Pay homage if you respect how we came up.
Oi, 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 oi.
We made them real cookies.
English girl named Fiona, African girl Adiola, body yoddy shaped like cola. Back up, here, come closer.
Are you ready? Kissy face, senti phone.
Stop. Your attention, please. It is now officially tea time. So let's grab a cuppa and get together.
All together now.
I'm right here with all my friends.
All together now.
Tell me you got something to give.
Nothing beats a New Year's Eve in London. Hello, fellow Londoners. As we travel the yellow brick road into a new year, let us stand for positivity and hope, embrace the magic that we all have inside, and come together for good. Happy New Year.
Welcome to the party.
Exploding like fireworks in the sky. Set fire. While you're pushing on me. Don't you let me body, I can do this all week. We'll be dancing till the morning, go to bed, we won't sleep. Tell me, kiss it, daddy.
we can dance all night.
We can dance together.
We can dance to the morning light.
So let's put on our classics and we'll have a
No matter what, London will always shine bright as a city of hope and a place for everyone.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we look at the stars when we're together.
Happy New Year.